Hi guys, hope you're doing fine. Welcome to another fried chicken video. I hope by now you guys can comprehend how much I love fried chicken. Remember the first time you had your first Korean fried chicken? I remember when I had my first bite, I was absolutely overwhelmed with the flavors that I'm tasting. The extremely crispy crust, my god, it was overwhelming. But for me, I find the biggest mistake that most fast food chains are making when they're cooking a Korean fried chicken is that their crust is too thick and tough. Korean fried chicken is supposed to be light, thin, crispy, not too oily, and shouldn't feel sick of it just after a few bites. So if your experience of Korean fried chicken comes mainly from fast food chain, you're gonna have your mind blown. So with that in mind, let's head to the kitchen. Let's go! Welcome to my kitchen. Let's make the marination. You'll need to add 1/4 cup of potato starch, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder to a mixing bowl and give it a nice mix. Place the chicken in the mixing bowl, give it a nice toss, ensuring every surface of the chicken is lightly coated. Shake rigorously to remove any excess flour. Once that is done, place it on a wire rack and let sit in the refrigerator for at least an hour to overnight uncovered. The reason we leave it uncovered is because it's supposed to leave the skin exposed to the air, which will help dehydrate the outer surface, resulting in a better crunch. Next, we will proceed to make the sauce. We are gonna make two sauces today, sweet garlic and sweet and spicy. Now we're gonna need to peel the ginger and garlic, then mince into smaller pieces. Place it aside for now. Take out a pan, place half cup of soy sauce, half cup of mirin, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. I ran out of brown sugar, hence I replaced the remaining with white sugar. So we're gonna add 2 teaspoons of Korean chili flakes, that's optional. Lastly, place 2 teaspoons of sesame oil. Take out a small pan, place 1 tablespoon of oil, place it on the stove in low-medium heat. Saute the ginger and garlic to lightly brown and fragrant. Now place the pan of sauce over medium-low heat, add the fried garlic and ginger and mix till the sugars are dissolved. Once it starts simmering, lower the heat. Now take half cup of water and add 2 tablespoons of cornstarch or potato starch. Mix well. Slowly drizzle in the water slurry while consistently stirring the sauce mixture. It will thicken and you should see a consistency like this. It might look runny now, but it will thicken as it continues to cool. With that, we have done the sweet garlic sauce. Now for the spicy sauce. Take 1/4 cup of gochujang and mix it with 1 cup of the sweet garlic sauce that we made earlier. Mix well, and there you go. Your umami packed sauce is now ready. Once you're ready to cook the chicken, we will make the batter. Place half cup of potato starch, half cup of plain flour, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of baking powder, half teaspoon of MSG. MSG is optional, but trust me, it's gonna add so much flavor. To that, mix in 3/4 cups of ice cold beer and 1/4 cup of water. Mix well. There's 3 reasons why we add beer instead of egg to the batter. Firstly, beer will help prevent gluten formation, and the alcohol in the beer reacts very violently in oil. The reaction with the help of baking powder will help create micro bubbles in the crust, making it extremely crispy. Lastly, is to create a lighter crust. Next, heat your oil to 350 Fahrenheit or 175 degrees. Your chicken, after being left in the fridge, it should look something like this. Dip it into the batter and remove any excess batter. Once it's in the oil, flip the chicken after 8 minutes and continue to cook for another 8 minutes. In the meantime, you will want to agitate the chicken once in a while for a crispier crust. That should result in a chicken that is perfectly brown and extremely crispy. Ideally, we will want to brush our chicken with a brush, but we'll make do with a spoon for now. And with that, your perfect Korean fried chicken is now ready. And we're done cooking. I'm gonna try the plain one first. But first off, I want you to check out the micro bubbles. Can you see these micro bubbles? Can you see it? This is what makes it extremely crispy. I have a bite. You hear it? The crunch. Oh, extremely juicy as well. Man, this is the best, crispiest Korean fried chicken you will ever eat in your life. Trust me on this. If anyone, and I mean anybody, who challenge you for the perfect Korean fried chicken, no question asked. Just use this recipe, you're gonna bite them off the dust. The one with the sauce, the spicy sauce. The sauce is sweet, spicy, savory, so many flavors packed into one. Just really good. Like and subscribe if you like what you see. I would really appreciate it. Do drop a comment down below about your experience if you try it out. So thank you very much for watching. I hope you have a great day.